Hey guys, so for the sake of another Valo content, we are unboxing our night market. Yung last night market ko, ang ganda ng mga result. I only bought 2 out of 6. Ang nasa wishlist ko this night market, sana meron ako makuwang Bucky and Shorty. So let's start with green one, the odd one. Tigress Shorty. Okay, mukhang battle pass lang siya. Well, I'm expecting a Shorty pero not the Shorty. I'll try the yellow one. Oh, Celestial Fan. Hala, pero ang mahal pa din. 2.7? Magkano to? Ang mahal pa din niya. Pero I love this. Oh my God. I want. Okay, wishlist ko yan. Pwede? Pero ang mahal. Another yellow one. Kaylang. Katrina. Halili. Ayun, para siyang Spanish-inspired na dagger. Okay, let's try the red ones. Starting with this one. Okay, pwede. Oh my God. Mura lang siya. 1083 lang. Magkano yun? Kailangan ko lang ng 218. Okay. Shit. Sulit. Next. Yeah. Lagi ko nakikita to. Pero I'm not a big fan. Radiant Crisis 001. Oosh. Ooh. Oh, this is cute. For a classic. Kaso wala siyang pink or violet. And last one. Sana another shorty. Hmm. Marami may gusto nito. Cryostasis. Solid yung tunog nito, bro. Bro. Wow. Okay. Yeah, most likely itong apat, good steal. Pero if meron ako unahin, the Bucky. I also wanna buy this one, the Celestial Fan, para saks lang. Pero this is cool. Pero kung may other colors to, this is also good.